My Cheap Charlie soap here has been sitting around for 4 days. Today, I can feel it's hardened up already, so I'm going to cut it today. Hopefully, finger crossed, we can get the cutting that we want. Okay, let's cut it out. I think I have to recalculate the recipe, so you can, yeah. Okay, so it's hard outside, so that's a good sign. So let's go in. Still very soft inside. I can feel it when I go through the knife. So there you go. Okay, the knife. Okay, so the knife there, right, is still soft inside. So I twist it. So it still come off like this, which means it's not really soft still. Okay, so that's what happens when you have a very high superfat, which we did without calculating the citric acid, and only left around 4% superfat. I should leave it like 0 superfat, and the increase in the with the citric acid, it will make the soap good, okay, to the normal superfat. So right now, right, this one here, I suspect, okay, this soap here, superfat is around 12. So that's why it's so soft like this, okay. So it's been 4 days, and when I cut through it, it's still so soft. So I have to wait for another week, I think. So it's cured properly inside. So right now, only halfway through, and when I cut it, it's leave a mark like this. So no wood there. The waiting game continues with this one, okay? Otherwise you have to rebatch, but I have to wait and see, okay? I don't want to rebatch this. First time I try this recipe, but so much it's learned from this recipe, from this experience, that you might want to try to make a super fat soap and see what happens. Yeah, you might learn a lot. Now that I know what is a high super fat soap look like. It look like this, crumbly. When I use it, it probably will not last very long in usage. So now I know what not to do. So I have to reformulate my formula so I can accommodate citric acid in my recipe. So I'll probably cut everything now, just in case, just get done and over with, and we go from there, okay? So let's cut everything. Don't have to wait, sick of waiting, let's cut everything. Not a good sign. So when you have soft soap like this, you have to make some patching. Not pretty at all. It's supposed to be a pretty short soap, but okay, the waiting game continue. I'll leave it. Okay, leave it. My name's Ciao. See my video how I did this soap, but please don't recalculate the citric acid. Okay, also in the description as well. Okay.